the specific person, Bridget, says, we've had success with certain jobs like operations, but less with jobs that would be a great match for perhaps early listed vets. What are your thoughts?
So I actually am enlisted, or was, I suppose. I was enlisted. So, I mean, just one of the big things that you can do to attract that type of talent is just to focus on your wording of your job posting realistically. So everything that I saw, just the way that the jobs posting for it, they didn't seem to relate to anything other than, like I said, if you have a forklift license. But there is a vast pool of enlisted personnel that are getting out at about the 3 or the 4 year mark, right? And they're still very, very young. And jobs like production operators and technicians, maintenance technicians, I mean, those are directly relatable jobs that we do in the military. So those actually, you would think, would be the easiest pools for you to pick up on. But when you're looking at those job postings and it's saying, you want somebody that has a forklift license and 10 years of experience plus a master's degree to operate a forklift, it doesn't really translate very well. And we kind of find that we don't actually want to apply to those kind of jobs because you automatically think you're not going to get it. I don't get it. I have no experience, even though, as an inventory clerk or a motor pool, which is basically a giant parking lot attendant, you don't actually know how you can relate what you're doing to that. So it would just be when you're, phrasing words like production operators, it's a machine operator. It's working with small things. It's focusing on that detail and the structure and the organization of it. I mean, it's just how you word it realistically. And that's something that I picked up on. It's something that I feel is really important, is talking to people looking for jobs and saying, actually really read into it. And it may say that it's asking you for 20 years worth of experience, but that's a preferred skill. So understanding the difference between preferred requirements and what the actual job requirements are.